In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Boolean modifier in Blender to modify your 3D objects with precision and ease. Whether you're aiming to cut holes into a design, merge different meshes, or explore intersecting parts, the Boolean modifier can be an incredibly powerful tool in your 3D modeling toolkit. To start off, you need to select the object you want to modify. This is the primary shape that will undergo transformation, depending on your end goal with the Boolean modifier. With your object selected, look to the right side of your Blender interface, where you'll find a range of tabs. Here, you want to find the Modifier Properties tab, which is represented by a wrench icon. Clicking on this will open up a new panel where you can add a modifier. Within this panel, you'll see an option to Add Modifier. Clicking on this will present you with a list of available options. Don't be overwhelmed by the assortment of choices. Simply scroll through and select Boolean from this list. Now with the Boolean modifier active, you're ready to specify the operation you'd like to conduct. Depending on the outcome you desire, you can set this operation to one of three functions. First, we have difference, which is particularly handy if your goal is to cut out a section of your primary object, effectively creating a hole. This is achieved by subtracting the volume of the second object from your main object. Next is union, a great choice when you want to combine two separate objects into one unified mesh. Finally, we have intersect, which is used to retain only the overlapping sections of both objects, ideal for creating intricate geometric intersections. Once you've decided on your operation, you will use the object field to select the second object, often referred to as the cutter. This object determines how the primary object will be modified. For an intuitive selection process, you can utilize the eyedropper tool found in this field. Simply click on it and select the second object directly within your 3D viewport for quick access. To further streamline your workflow, consider hiding the second object. By doing this, you can get a clear view of the results of your Boolean operation, ensuring that everything aligns with your vision without the distraction of the secondary geometry. After reviewing the changes and ensuring they match your expectations, it's time to make these modifications permanent. To do so, simply click the Apply button on the modifier. This will cement your changes into the object's mesh, allowing you to continue building off of this newly modified form. And there you have it. A precise and efficient method for using the Boolean modifier in Blender to elevate your 3D modeling projects.